Guys, thanks so much for coming on such a bad weather, and it's very cold out there. Some of our friends still stuck at homes because of the weather. So I'm glad you're all here. So this shows our commitment towards our nation. And it's not an easy thing staying abroad and spending their weekend on this kind of cause. So really hats off to you, and I welcome you all for our gathering. This is a gathering after over 3 days hunger strike for postal ballot. The main reason is, in any democracy, the most power lies with the elected representatives. Our institutions of day-to-day life, like health, education, internal affairs, policing, external affairs, it's all with our elected representatives. So it's very important that we utilize our fundamental right to elect proper representatives who actually does good for the society. So ultimately, the very important thing, the only strongest way you can send a message to politicians or the government is through vote. So that is a fundamental belief. That's the reason we started this campaign in abroad to utilize our vote. And basically there are 8 million people across the globe, and as per we have 543 MPs in India, and it will come to about 15 to 20,000 votes for a constituency, for MP constituency in Indian elections. So guys, these 15 to 20,000 votes definitely very significant in Indian elections, because there are certain situations a MP won by 5,000, 10,000 majority. So these 15,000 votes of intelligentsia is matters. This could change dynamics of Indian politics. So the voting of NRI is very important, and this is not something new, or this is not something a stick on a moon we are asking. This is already implemented in most of the democracies about decades ago. So America has implemented, United Kingdom, Germany, Canada, and Asian countries, Indonesia, Pakistan, almost every democracy has got an absentee ballot for their citizens abroad. So why can't India, in this technological era, it really raises the question, are we in modern era? India can send a rocket to Mars, and we have got so many good scientists, and we are one of the largest IT exporter in the world. Being such a great country, it is very unfortunate we are not able to facilitate a very fundamental right of vote to our citizens abroad. And the voting percentage in India is also very less compared to other major democratic nations. I hope it improves in 2014. So as a campaign group, Pravasi Bharat, we did everything. We wrote letters to government addressing Prime Minister, Election Commission of India, and we've raised online petition. We've marched from here, Gandhi statue to Nehru statue, and we filed the case with Supreme Court. Thanks to the Honorable Supreme Court, it's presided by Honorable Chief Justice, gave a notices to Election Commission of India and Government of India in the month of January 2013. That's about a year ago. Unfortunately, we haven't received any reply from Election Commission or a government, because they feel that we are not part of the system, and we feel like we are deprived. We are not considered part of the system. Most of the people think NRIs as investors, and that's very, very wrong way of thinking. So basically, we did everything what we had to do as a common man. We've utilized all the democratic means of protest. So we did a peaceful demonstrations, we did march, we approached court, and we've raised online petitions, online signatures. So most of the comments in online signatures are heart-touching. It shows that every non-resident Indian are really concerned about India, because if you look at the social media or anything, even if small issue happens in India, the people here react. including foreign national or Indian nationals. So we too concerned about the nation. For example, the Damini case, Nirbhaya case, everyone was on the roads in London, and including demand for justice, people also done great thing in that. So people outside India are really concerned about the country. We are real patriotic. So don't deprive us. Please provide the fundamental right. Please facilitate the absentee ballot for Indian citizens abroad. And honestly, this is not something new. This is not something very great we are asking. It's implemented by Pakistan. It's implemented by everyone. So I have gone for a fasting was never been our option, and this was our last option. So I have gone for a 3-day fasting for a postal ballot to raise a statement. We, the concerned citizen of India, following the footprints of Mahatma, and on this auspicious day of Republic Day of India, we are raising a very fundamental question, and we are seeking a very fundamental right. We wanted an absentee ballot so that we could vote in next 2014 elections. So I request Government of India from London, from the statue of Mahatma, please provide us absentee ballot. If not, tell us the reasons why you can't provide. And if you cannot respond to a citizens who are doing such a protest from a long time, then I'm going to say now, we are not hesitated to take an indefinite fast if we do not reply, if we do not get any response from the government of India. Jai Hind! Bharat Mata ki! Jai! Bharat Mata ki! Jai! Bharat Mata ki! Jai! Long live democracy! Jai Hind!